Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. We've got a bit of a different video today because I went and I had a beauty treatment that I'd never had before. I didn't even know they existed, so I wasn't able to film the actual process, but I did a quick before and after. So this video is going to be lots of little bits squished together. But I went for a lash lift, which I've never had before. Like I said, I didn't know these things existed. I've since spoken to a few people and they're like, oh yeah, we have them all the time. So that's the what. We're going to look at the why did I do it, and also would I do it again. This is not a review. This is not a recommendation of any particular flavour of these treatments. This is not a how-to video. This is just my experience as a first timer, my first impressions and my thoughts going forward. I sit very much outside of the, I have all of the beauty treatments going. I used to have massages on the regular and sometimes I'd have facials, and that's pretty much it. Now that I've let my lack of knowledge and inexperience show and shine so brightly out here on the interwebs, let me know what beauty treatments you have, which ones you recommend, which ones you think I should try out. Also, let me know if there's any beauty treatments you think I should steer well clear of. I have been having my hair done since I was about 15, but that's because I started showing greys at 15, so that's more of a necessity. I have never enjoyed the process of having my hair done. I have a great hairdresser now who I get on with really, really well, but I still don't enjoy the process. And recently I've been getting my nails done and I don't enjoy that process either, but I like how they look. So when people talk about no pain, no gain, you know, discomfort for fashion and all of that kind of stuff, that's very much how I feel about having beauty treatments. I'll see you back here after you've watched those other clips. Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Look, I look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. What's this? I'm 48. Why am I getting spots on the tip of my nose? I'm going to be doing something today that I have never done before. And there are a couple of reasons why, which I'll go into later. But I'm going to have a lash lift. Never had one of those before. Never been inclined to do anything like this before. So these are my lashes. My normal lashes. So this is the before. See, quite flat, they come down kind of that way. So that's what they look like before. Now we are going to go and get them lifted, which I believe is something like a little permanent curl. We shall see. Wish me luck. Well, that was a new experience for me. Very weird. I get very weirded out with anything to do with my eyes. This is the end result. I had a tint as well. Yeah, this is a look that I can achieve with my eyelash curlers, 20 minutes and a lot of swearing. So this should last for 6 to 8 weeks under strict instructions to not get them wet today. If I can leave them until tomorrow morning when I have a shower, that's okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go home, and then I'll check in with you tomorrow once I've showered and all of that kind of stuff. But I'm really, really happy with this result. And she said, not that I'm bragging, she said my eyelashes were perfect for this treatment because they're long and they're straight. I feel fabulous already. I've not even put mascara on or anything. Hi, I said I was going to come back to you next day, and it's actually 2.5 weeks later, and the reason for that is at first I forgot to check in about my eyelashes. I did leave it a full day before showering and washing and everything, and they seem to be okay after that. 2 days later I did a little trip to the office back in the old town, back in Reading, and the line went to his office. When we got back from that, the line came down with COVID, and then a few days later I came down with COVID, so I've been ill. Basically, I've not worn any makeup yet at all. The only thing I've done today that I haven't done for the last couple of weeks, because I've been feeling like crap, is adding a little bit of this Clarins SOS primer. Boosts radiance, it says. What it does is leave like little glittery flecks all over my face, so I love using that. But today I have to film a video. I don't feel like it. I don't feel well enough to do it, but it is time sensitive because it is the new Fern release, so you'll see that before you see this. And I've only got a 2-week window to try it and send it back if I don't like it. And because I'm doing a video, I'm going to put some makeup on. Basically got 3 things. I'm going to put on some Prada lipstick. I've got an eyeliner and I've got a mascara. Now I don't have to curl my lashes. This is where we're at, 2.5 weeks in. Excuse the bags and everything else. Like I said, I've been feeling pretty rough. So the curl, I've got a little mirror here as well. The curl, oh my God, it looks marvellous. I'll put in a little insert of me feeling very sorry for myself. Laid up in bed, full body aches, full body shivers, the full lot. My eyelashes still looked great, and it's become a bit of a running joke. Like the lion will say, "How are you feeling today?" And I'm like, "I feel like shit." But my eyelashes look amazing, and so do my nails. Little shout out for my nails that I had done and then got ill. So this is all I'm doing. Just a little line, just a little bit. This is the Victoria Beckham. So I don't know why I'm trying to wing it, because this looks better smudged. So this is a Victoria Beckham, and this is in the olive colour. And I really like this. It's a very soft. It's a very, very soft eyeliner. So great for smudging. Not so great, I've found, for precision. And I go in with my favourite mascara. This is the Benefit They're Real. First time I've put mascara on after doing this. I honestly thought I'd have done it before now. You know, get dressed up for date night or something. But it just hasn't happened because we've been ill. So that is with one coat of mascara. Talk amongst yourselves. And oh, of course I've got mascara on my eyelid. Of course I've done that. Okay, we'll ignore that. We'll pretend that didn't happen. That is done. That is me and my makeup done, okay? So, my glasses. Wow, I do look baggy. It's just from being ill. I'm sleeping okay. Right, I need to go and film a video now. Wish me luck. I will check in with you again. Oh, let's come away from the light a bit there. I will check in with you again on the old eyelashes in a little while. So this is 2.5 weeks after the treatment. Oh, and I should have said the treatment, the actual lift, is upper lashes only. Lower lashes don't get treated, but they did get the tint, the same as the upper. I'm wondering if I need to get an eyebrow tint. Now I've got some whites coming through. And so here we are today. It is the 6th of November. It is 8 weeks and 2 days since I had the treatment. So it's supposed to last 6 to 8 weeks. So we'll take a little look-see. I've got no makeup on again. So this is where we're at now. On my right side, I think things have lasted a little bit better. On my left side, I do sleep on my left side, so I get a little bit scrunched up. That's a lash lift. I had no idea these things existed. I wish I had known they existed because I would have had it done before we went to New York. New York was too hot, too sweaty for me to even consider putting mascara on and have it run down my face. But it would have been nice to just have that little bit of curl and not have to use my curling, I was going to say tongs, irons, my eyelash curlers, because I find that curl drops out unless I slather on loads of mascara. So it would have been nice for that. As I said, my natural lashes are quite long and quite straight, so they're nice and long, but they're very straight, so I feel like they're kind of just in front of my eyes. I'm not a fan of that, but I'm also not a fan of curling my lashes and putting on makeup all the time. And speaking of that, I often found when I was using my eyelash curlers that I would tug a hair out maybe before it was ready to fall out, because our eyelashes go through a cycle, and I think that's around 8 weeks or something similar, which is maybe why they say the lash lift lasts for 6 to 8 weeks, depending on where you are in your hair growth cycle. And what I've noticed since having the lash lift and not using curling tongs, eyelash curlers at all, is the fallout has been really minimized. So I think that's a really, really good thing. I feel like I just look brighter, even today where I'm feeling quite tired looking. My eyes feel brighter and bigger. And even when I had COVID and was feeling rock bottom, I felt like I looked quite cute. So that's all how, you know, how it looked, how I felt about it looking. But what was the reason I went for this in the first place? And it wasn't cosmetic, the reason I went for this. I wear glasses, you may have noticed, thank you very much. I wear glasses, and because my eyelashes are quite long and quite straight, unless I had curled them and put mascara on, they would rub on the inside of my lenses and leave little eyelash oil whiff waff kind of little strokes of that on the inside of my glasses. So I was having to clean them several times a day, and it drove me absolutely spare. That was my main reason. Once I discovered this magical procedure called a lash lift existed, that was my reason for pursuing it and wanting to try it. And instant issue resolution. Amazing. I came home that night and I kept taking off my glasses to look at the inside. There were no streaks. So that leads me on to my final point, which is, would I do it again? Hell yeah. If I don't have to clean my glasses 5 times an hour because I've got little streaks on them, then yes, I will absolutely do it again. I have watched a couple of YouTube videos and it looks like it really is. It's very specific to the person and the type of eyelashes they might have. People have reported their eyelashes feeling quite brittle, falling out. I've not had any of that. Mine have felt really soft. I personally found it to be a really, really great solution to a problem, with a lovely little side aspect that I felt really cute with it as well. So tick and tick for me. I would like anyone who's watching this video who has had a lash lift to comment below what your experience has been with it, whether it's been good or bad. I want to know everything. I'm sure it is just me, late to the party as usual, but I'd be very interested in your thoughts. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did find it interesting, informative, did it open your eyes to anything, yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, show it the thumbs up love, and we'll be back to some sort of sit down video next time. Cheers. Oh yeah, until I see you, yes you, boop. For the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!